Hi guys, it's finally time for me to launch my Craft and Go giveaway. Now the winner is going to receive one paint station in a colour of their choice. Don't forget there are 7 colours to choose from, and the paint station comes with one metal work surface, one metal bottom insert, 25 magnets and also 2 magnetic pouches. Now to enter there are 3 steps you must follow. Number 1, you must be a subscriber of this YouTube channel. So if you're not currently subscribed, go ahead and click that button. Number 2, you must follow me over on my Instagram account, which is at Ashlea Henson. If you don't have an Instagram account, just sign up for one. It's free, it's quick, and there are so many other painters on Instagram. There is a world of inspiration. And the third and final step is to go to my Instagram account, find the picture that relates to this giveaway. It'll be the most recent picture, and you need to like that picture and tag a friend. And that's it, you're entered. The giveaway is open today and it will close next week on the 14th of April at midnight UK time. So make sure you've got your entry in before then. Now, this giveaway is open internationally. However, due to the size and the weight of the paint station, there is a $30 shipping limit. So what that means is if the winner happens to come from America, that $30 is going to cover their shipping entirely and there isn't going to be anything for the winner to pay. But if the winner comes from outside America, then the $30 isn't going to cover it. So for example, Cynthia, who is the owner of Craft and Go, has told me that the average UK shipping is between $75 to $130. Now, if you go for the top end of $130, you take off your $30 credit, that leaves $100 to pay. So with the exchange rate, that's less than £100, which is still a fantastic deal for the Craft and Go. This was the fairest way I could think to do it. I didn't want to limit it just to, American participants only, because I know so many of you watch from all around the world and I wanted everyone to be able to enter if they wanted to. Also, please bear in mind that shipping varies across the world. So depending on where you live is going to depend on how much it is. And I can't give everybody an estimate. So once the winner has been confirmed, I will tell them how much their shipping is. And then if they want to go for it, they can, or if not, I'll choose another winner. The winner will be announced on my Instagram stories on the 15th of April, and I will notify the winner with a message through Instagram. So make sure you check your inbox and also your message request box. I wish everybody the best of luck, and I will see you soon with another tutorial.